Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my horizontal classic happy planner that is my journal. This is for the week of December 18th through Christmas Eve, the 24th. I'm going to be using winter gnomes. I know they're not particularly Christmassy, but they're adorable and I want to use them. So I'm going to pair these gnomes with some of this black and white plaid. It's like black, white, and gray plaid washi. And so I'm going to try something a little new, different. Not new, because I didn't come up with this, I'm sure. But I'm going to try to rip my washi and make it be like a little foundation for my gnomes to sit on. This is not an easy task. I love the black and white or any kind of plaid washi for the Christmas holiday season, or just for wintertime, fall in general. I think it's just like really pretty. So I want to take it and kind of somehow make like a base for my gnomes to sit on. There was a quote down here. I whited out the quote. And then I think I want to do, let's try to sit my gnomes down first. I don't know if I want to use the big ones. I think I'm going to use the smaller ones, the small sheet. And I want to use this guy that says, "Let it snow." I mean, in all honesty, it's not going to snow at Christmas time this year. We're actually getting like a nor'easter this week. I'm filming ahead, so it's not going to snow, but a girl can dream, right? So we got "Let It Snow," and then I might want to put one more. Let's just put his little girlfriend down here with him. Oh, they're both girls. We'll put two girls down here. That one's a little crooked. Uh-oh. Okay, we're just going to say she had too much eggnog. She's a little crooked. And then let's cut this off. I don't know. Do I want to add another one? Let's put a baby gnome. We'll use the mini sticker sheet and put a little baby gnome down here. Actually, it's not that. Oh, it's not that small. I just ripped his little hat. That's okay. We're going to put it down right where it ripped. And now it just looks like there's a little crease in it. Okay. All right. So we got our little gnomes down here. I think I'm going to cut this off at an angle and wipe this quote out again. I'm going to save that little washi strip. And then I kind of want to do like something similar up here. Actually, I'm just going to use the little piece that was left over. I'm just going to put like one or two small gnomes here. I might put, let's put snowballs. That's cute. And then maybe one more. We'll put, I don't know which one to put. We'll put the Happy Mail one beside him. All right, so now we got those. Let's go to the other side and go ahead and try to mimic the same thing. So we're going to start over here. What should I do? I'm going to do here. I'm going to slide this over just a tad. cut this off. And then, which ones do I want to use? I want to use the little gnome with the snowman. And which other one? We're going to use a happy mail over here too. And then maybe one, this little itty bitty one. And then we're going to cut it. And do the same thing up here on Monday. So now we have all of our days staggered on both spreads. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to fill that all the way up. I'm going to scoot this over just a tad because I don't want to put too many gnomes here. I need plenty of room to write. So I think I'm going to use Let It Snow. Actually, let's use this one first because I don't want Let It Snow and Let It Snow. I want it to be a little bit different. And then we'll take this cutie pie here. All right, this is so cute. I like it. I like it. All right, now I don't know that I really particularly want to do boxes. I think, in all honesty, I'm gonna probably just be done, put a couple quotes in here, and call this spread done. So let's see. I want to use Christmas quotes. And what do I want to use? I don't know. Love, peace, joy. I don't know. I want to use Dreaming of a White Christmas. So we can put that one down there. I kind of don't like the placement of that. It's just going to have to be. And then, Be Jolly. Let's do Be Jolly up here. That's really cute. That's really cute. And I have plenty of room to write, and it's super cute with all my little gnomes. Okay. I think this spread is finished. I know that was a pretty quick one, but let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram as well if you have an Instagram account. So this is super cute. I didn't use any boxes. All I used was some washi and 2 sheets of the gnomes, so the small sheet and the mini sheet. So and that is it for this video. I'm going to film some more for you. So I'll see you on the next one. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.